Hey subscribers, working on the CJ7 again on this snowy day. Still not enough snow outside to play with snowshoe. Working on the rear hatch where the hinges were. It's all rotted out. So marked my cuts and I'm going to weld some steel in with some nuts on the backside and fix it up. I'm just fixing it to keep the snow out of the Jeep for the meantime. Got my pieces of steel all cut. Holes drilled, some nuts welded on the back. Now I just gotta use the hot glue gun and glue them in. So let's see if this works. Nope, hang on. Huh, it worked. Well, it's not great, but it'll keep the snow out, and that's all I want. I had some crappy upper half doors for a soft top. I just slapped those on. They don't fit the top quite right, but they work. Like I said, I'll get a strapless bikini top for the summertime, and this will be for the winter time, just to keep the snow off. These surface mount tail lights just aren't cutting it. As you can see, they're all broken from previous abuse. So I pulled them off, and I'm going to swap them out with these flush mount units. I'll have to add a reverse light later, but that's further on down the road. Marked the holes. Now I'm going to just chop them out with the plasma cutter. And look at that, it fits perfectly in there. I determined that the red wire on the original harness is the running light circuit, and the black on the pigtail is running lights. So now I am going to use these guys. They're heat shrink solder connections. All you do is stick the wires in and heat them up. They're made by this company here. I got them off Amazon. They are the best things ever for working on Jeeps and whatever else gets subjected to harsh environments. And look at that, permanent connection that'll never come apart and is impervious to water. I love the nice clean look these lights provide, and not to mention they're well protected. I was opening up the rear hatch and one of these cables broke, so I cut the ends off the cable and TIG welded on some 3/16 rod. I did both of them. Take that, rust. The last thing I did was swap out the wheels and tires for some old school Steelies with 5 spokes. They're like 1/4 inch thick, they're pretty sweet. And some 34x10.5 Super Swamper TSLs. Gave the Jeep a whole new look. So I'm gonna go play in the snow. I'll catch you guys later.